Hi, my name is Kobe Strawn with Synergy Graphics. I want to talk to you guys about the different kind of wraps that you can get here at Synergy Graphics. The first one is going to be a partial wrap. A partial wrap is a great tool for your business. It allows you to wrap only part of your vehicle and get the same amount of exposure as a full wrap, but costs you a little less because we're wrapping less of the vehicle. A couple things that you can take into consideration. One being, does the color of your vehicle work with your design? Another really common graphic package is called Spot Graphic. This is where we're going to use the color of your vehicle as the background, and we're simply just going to place logos and information on there. This is a great way to give your business a professional look at a really low cost investment. You can put anything on your vehicle that you really want and want people to see and know. One of the more common wraps as of late is people wanting to change the color of their cars. We call this a color change wrap. This is where we're taking your personal vehicle or your company vehicle. We're essentially letting you pick a color from all the swatches up front. We're going to change the color of your vehicle. The next wrap we're going to talk about is a full wrap. A full wrap is a custom designed printed wrap with all of your branding and logos, and we're going to cover the entire vehicle with this. This gets you maximum exposure for your business.